Hi, Scott DeBow again with another segment of the RapidFix dual adhesive system series of repairs. This time what we're going to do here is show you how you can put together copper piping. This here will allow you to be able to repair a leak on a water line, or actually even put copper fittings together without having to weld. And what you would do in this case is you would take some of the RapidFix dual adhesive and you would line the inside of the fitting and then go around the outside of the copper pipe itself. Then what you're going to do, you're going to insert the two. Once it's inserted, take a little more of the liquid adhesive and you go around the outside of the fitting and then sprinkle some of the powder around it. And in this case, you may want to do a couple different layers with powder and adhesive, just to make sure you got yourself a good fit. But like I said before, it's non-toxic. You can use it on any type of potable water container, so you can definitely use it on a water line on your house. And just like that, you got yourself a copper fitting and a piece of copper tubing put together. You can do the same thing with an elbow. So virtually you can assemble any type of metal tubing with RapidFix dual adhesive system. Here we've done a series of different repairs to put copper piping together to a plastic fitting. After 24 hours of hardening, this will withstand up to 500 PSI. It's gas friendly, diesel friendly, kerosene friendly, so you can virtually use it on any type of fuel line, fuel container. So another repair we're going to show you here is, say you have a hole and the threads are stripped out, or if you just need to repair a piece of metal, steel, aluminum. As you can see, it's all the way through. What we've done here is we just put some clear packing tape on the bottom. In this application, you're going to take the RapidFix welding powder and you're going to lightly, in a layer of about maybe 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, you're going to work this in layers. And you can see that once the powder and the adhesive come in contact, it virtually bonds and seals instantly. And once again, you have yourself a solid repair. After 24 hours, it'll reach maximum strength of curing, and then you can go ahead and drill it, sand it, tap it, whatever you would need to fix your repair. Very strong, very durable, can withstand temperatures about 395 degrees Fahrenheit, so can withstand very high temperatures, can be used on car radiators, hoses, things like that. So very strong, very industrial strength, and very, very versatile. So that's just two more of the repairs you can do with RapidFix dual adhesive system. Thanks for watching.